probably wonder why I did it like that. I think it's wise to burn all the gas, excess gas that's inside of your carburetor. So when you're done with it, instead of just regular cutting it off, cut your gas, your fuel off. Allow all that to burn in your tank, in your fuel, in that little cup, because if it gets stopped up, it can cause you some extra problems. So just to prevent that, when you shut it off, always do that. That's what I'm doing today. I was actually just working on a few things, and I forgot to shut it off the other day. So I let it run long enough to burn all the excess fuel that was actually inside of the carburetor. So I think that helps just keep your stuff clean. And so when you not using it, just try to keep it on the off position. So that way when that time comes, it won't give you a headache trying to get everything, up and going and stable and stuff. So just a couple tips on maintaining your generator. Hold on.